Hi friends, welcome to Cricksolve.com, and now we will discuss the match number 2 of the doubleheader that has concluded today. So it was between the teams which are at the top two positions of the IPL points table, Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians. So that was the match a lot of fans were looking forward to, a lot of cricket pundits were looking forward to, because it's always an amazing match to see two teams which are at the top two of the IPL points table. They fight for those crucial 2 points. So Mumbai Indians had a very great batting order, and Delhi Capitals, they started batting first, but they were not able to put a very great score. They got to 162 runs, and Mumbai Indians knew that they have run. Rohit Sharma knew that they have done really well in the bowling department to restrict Delhi Capitals to 162 runs. If we talk about the contributions, Delhi Capitals had a positive in this department, as the batsman who was not firing in the last matches in the IPL 2020, Shikhar Dhawan, did the major contributions for the team, making 69 runs of just 52 balls. So that's a good news for Delhi Capitals management, Ricky Ponting and Shreyas Iyer, that Dhawan is back in the form. But what they lacked in this innings of them is that they didn't get the flourish. Stoinis was dismissed cheaply, and Pant was not playing. Alex Carey was playing, and both the Dhawan and Alex Carey just couldn't. Was not able to hit the big boundaries in the last finishing overs, and that was the reason that Delhi Capitals was restricted to 162 runs, and Mumbai Indians knew that the match is very much under their control, and they don't have to do anything special, because if they play the normal cricket, then this 2 points are going nowhere. So Rohit Sharma started, and he played a very scratchy innings of just 5 runs of 12 balls. He took 2 overs for his 5 runs, and that was not the start which Mumbai Indians was hoping for. But that was that compensation of the extra balls played was done by Quinton de Kock, as he played very aggressively, and he made 53 runs, a half century of just 36 balls. So the momentum was not lost for Mumbai Indians, as Quinton de Kock did the rest, which Rohit Sharma took the extra deliveries. He made ensure that he just keep that strike rate ticking. After that, Surya Kumar Yadav took things in his hand, and he made 53 runs. He already played a very good innings in the last match, making I think 80 plus runs, and that's I think is back to back half century for the Mumbai Indians stylish right hander. So with these innings, Ishan Kishan also chipped in with 25 runs, and that means that Mumbai Indians need just 6 runs of the final over, and they won. They emerged out as the winning side. So Delhi Capitals knew from the starting that they didn't have a very good score on the board, and if they are not able to take quick wickets in the starting, then this match is just a loss case for them. And Quinton de Kock and Surya Kumar Yadav, both the batsmen, hitting half centuries, and Ishan Kishan also making 28 runs, scoring at nearly 200 strike rate. Hardik Pandya got a duck, but after that, Kiran Pollard and Krunal Pandya made ensure that Mumbai Indians doesn't lose those 2 points, which was looking very welcoming from the half innings, as Delhi Capitals scored just 162 runs. So a crucial game, not a crucial game, but the fight. Delhi Capitals is having a very great run, and they made some changes which didn't turn out in on their favor in this match. I don't know why they removed Hetmeyer, because he took 2 stunning catches. He also played a very good innings. So why Hetmeyer was replaced by Alex Carey, that is just not logical. But they want to try some things, but it's not the matches are not they have not reached up to the point that they can try experiment with the things, because the tournament is very long ahead. So that was a very strange plan from Delhi Capitals by dropping Shimron Hetmeyer. As for Mumbai Indians, their opener Rohit Sharma, captain, didn't fire, but Quinton de Kock and Surya Kumar Yadav half centuries posed all the problems to Delhi Capitals, and Mumbai Indians looked very easy throughout the innings, and they were able to get those 2 points. So that was the match today. Do let us know in the comments how you make of Delhi Capitals changes that they didn't play Rishabh Pant. I think Rishabh Pant was wobbling. He was not looking good. He was not looking 100% fit in the last match. So that was the change that they have to make anyhow. But Shimron Hetmeyer was fit, and to play Alex Carey in place of Shimron Hetmeyer is the change that doesn't make sense. Mumbai Indians played an unchanged 11, and that is the thing we see with Rohit Sharma. He doesn't want to mess up with the team if the team is doing well. So that's all for the match number 2 of the double header. Please let us know in the comments if you have anything to say in the match. And that's all for now. So please do like, share, subscribe the video if you like the content. And till the next match, stay healthy, stay safe, and good night.